I can't believe it's Monday again.
Tell me about it. I'm already exhausted and the day just started.
You know that feeling, when your alarm goes off and you just want to stay in bed forever?
Oh my God, yes, every single Monday.
And then you get to the office. Meetings, emails, deadlines. It never stops.
But wait, there's one thing that keeps us going through all this craziness.
The weekend. Those beautiful 2 days of freedom.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about surviving work stress and making the most of your precious free time.
And we'll teach you how to talk about work, stress, friends, and weekend plans in real English.
Not boring textbook English. The way people actually talk.
This is English Talkies. I'm Axel.
And I'm Celia. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get real.
Because if you're learning English, you need to know how to talk about the things that really matter in life.
Ready? Let's do this. Okay, so Axel, be honest with me. How was your week?
Don't even get me started. Monday was a disaster. Tuesday was worse. Wednesday, I forgot which day it was.
Oh no. What happened?
Back-to-back meetings. Every single day. Morning, afternoon, even during lunch.
Wait. During lunch. That's illegal. That should be against the law.
You know, right? And then my manager keeps sending me messages asking for updates.
So when did you actually do your work?
At night. I had to stay late almost every evening just to finish everything.
Oh my God. I feel you. My week was absolutely crazy too.
Really, what happened to you?
My boss. She's nice, but sometimes she doesn't understand reality.
Oh no, what did she do?
She asked me to prepare a huge presentation. And guess how much time she gave me?
How much? A week.
2 days. Just 2 days for a presentation that should take 2 weeks.
No way. How did you survive that?
I pulled an all-nighter on Tuesday. I stayed up the entire night working.
The entire night? Without sleeping at all?
Not even 1 hour. I was running on coffee, energy drinks, and pure panic.
Okay, time out. Let's pause for a second.
Why? What's wrong?
We just used so many useful expressions. Let's explain them to our listeners.
Oh, you're right. We're speaking so naturally that we forgot to teach.
Exactly. So listeners, pay attention. These phrases are super important.
Back-to-back meetings. This means meetings one after another with no break at all.
Stay late. This means working after your normal hours, like staying until 8 p.m. when you finish at 6.
Pulled an all-nighter. This is when you stay awake all night to work or study.
Running on coffee. This means you're so tired that only caffeine keeps you functioning.
Don't even get me started. This is a perfect phrase when you're annoyed and could complain for hours.
I feel you. A casual way to say, I understand you or I relate to your situation.
But you know what? Forget all that stress. Forget the meetings and the deadlines.
Why? What are you thinking?
Because it's Friday, the weekend is here. Freedom.
Oh, yes. You're absolutely right. 2 whole days without work emails.
2 days without my boss calling me. 2 days of pure relaxation.
So tell me, what are you doing this weekend? Any exciting plans?
Actually, yes. Tomorrow I'm going shopping with my friend Sarah. She's getting married next month.
Oh, a wedding? That's exciting. Are you in the wedding party?
No, I'm just a guest. But I still want to look nice. We're shopping for dresses tomorrow.
Wedding party means the bridesmaids and groomsmen, the special people who stand next to the bride and groom.
What about you, Axel? Any exciting weekend plans?
Tomorrow night, I'm meeting up with some friends. We're going to try that new Italian restaurant downtown.
Meeting up means getting together with people. It's a super casual and friendly expression.
My friend Marco says their carbonara is to die for.
To die for. This means something is so good, so amazing that you would do anything for it.
Exactly. Like, that chocolate cake was to die for, or that movie was to die for.
Now, let's learn some useful expressions about making plans. When you want to meet friends, you can say,
Are you free this weekend? This is a simple and polite way to ask.
want to grab dinner sometime? Grab means to quickly get or do something casual.
Let's catch up soon. Catch up means to talk and share news after not seeing each other.
I'll check my schedule and get back to you. This is professional and polite.
Let's practice. Imagine your friend asks you, Hey, want to hang out this Saturday?
You could say, sure. I'm free in the afternoon. What do you have in mind?
What do you have in mind? This asks about their ideas or suggestions.
Or you could say, I'd love to, but I already have plans. Can we do Sunday instead?
You already have plans. This is a polite way to say you're busy.
Or maybe, that sounds great. Let me check with my partner first.
Perfect examples. Notice how we stay polite and friendly even when we're busy.
Now let's talk about what people do to relax after a stressful week at work.
Some people like to go out. They meet friends, go to restaurants, or watch movies.
Other people prefer to stay home. They watch Netflix, read books, or just sleep.
What about you? Are you more of a go-out person or a stay-home person?
Here's something important. Work-life balance. This means having time for both work and your personal life.
It's so important to disconnect from work on weekends. Don't check your emails every 5 minutes.
Disconnect means to take a break from something, especially technology or work.
So, Celia, after shopping tomorrow, what else will you do this weekend?
Sunday is my recovery day. I'll probably sleep in, have a nice brunch, and just relax at home.
Sleep in. This means waking up late without using an alarm. One of the best things about weekends.
What about Sunday for you?
I'm planning to do absolutely nothing. Just chill at home and watch some football.
Chill means to relax and do nothing stressful. Very informal and casual.
Now let's talk about a common problem. The Sunday scaries.
The Sunday scaries. Do you know what this means?
It's that anxious feeling you get on Sunday evening when you think about going back to work on Monday.
Everyone gets them. It's completely normal. But here's a tip to feel better.
Do something you enjoy on Sunday evening. Watch a favorite show, cook a nice meal, or call a friend.
End the weekend on a positive note. This way Monday doesn't feel so bad.
Let's learn more work vocabulary. These phrases are super common in office conversations.
My workload is heavy this week. Workload means the amount of work you have to do.
I'm swamped. This means you're extremely busy with too much work.
I'm burning out. This means you're exhausted from working too much for too long.
Need a break. Everyone needs to say this sometimes. It's okay to rest.
Now let's talk about coworkers, the people you work with every day.
Some coworkers become real friends. You have lunch together, share stories, and support each other.
But sometimes you have difficult coworkers. Maybe they don't do their work or they complain too much.
The key is to be professional. Stay polite and focus on your own work.
Here's a question for you. What do you like most about your job?
For me, I like the projects I work on. They're interesting and creative.
What about the stress and the long hours?
Well, that's the part I don't like, but I try to focus on the positive things.
That's a good attitude. Focus on the positive. Look for good things even in difficult situations.
Let's practice another conversation. Imagine someone asks, "How do you deal with work stress?"
You could say, I try to exercise after work. It helps me clear my mind.
Clear my mind means to stop thinking about problems and feel more relaxed.
Or I make sure to take regular breaks during the day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Or maybe I talk to my friends and family. They always make me feel better.
Here's an important tip. Don't bottle up your feelings.
Bottle up means to keep your emotions inside without expressing them. It's not healthy.
If you're stressed or unhappy at work, talk to someone. A friend, a family member, or even a professional.
It's okay to vent. Vent means to express your frustration and complaints. Sometimes we just need to let it out.
Now let's talk about finding joy in small things, even on busy work days.
I like to treat myself to a good coffee in the morning. It's a little reward that makes me happy.
Treat yourself means to give yourself something special that you enjoy.
What small things make your workday better? Write them in the comments.
Before we finish, let's talk about one more important thing, setting boundaries.
Boundaries means limits you set to protect your time and energy.
For example, maybe you don't answer work emails after 7 p.m. That's a boundary.
Or maybe you don't work on weekends. That's another boundary.
It's okay to say no sometimes. Your health and happiness are important.
All right? Let's do a quick recap of all the key phrases we learned today.
Back-to-back meetings pulled an all-nighter running on coffee.
Done yesterday. Meeting up to die for.
Catch up, grab dinner, I already have plans.
Sleep in. Chill. The Sunday scaries.
Work-life balance, disconnect, clear my mind.
Bottle up, vent, treat yourself, and set boundaries.
These are all expressions you'll hear in real conversations with native speakers.
Now, here's your challenge. Think about your work week and your weekend plans.
Try to describe them in English using the phrases we taught you today.
Write it in the comments. We'd love to hear about your life.
And remember, everyone feels stressed at work sometimes. You're not alone.
The important thing is to find ways to relax and enjoy your free time.
Whether it's shopping with friends, trying new restaurants, or just staying home and watching TV.
Do what makes you happy. That's what weekends are for.
So that's it for today. We hope you learned some useful phrases for talking about work and weekends.
Remember, learning English is easier when you talk about real-life situations.
Don't forget to practice. Use these expressions in your daily conversations.
Thanks for listening to English Talkies. Keep practicing every day.
And remember, the more you speak, the better you get. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Have an amazing weekend and take care of yourself.